Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to export your JetEngine custom fields directly to Google Sheets using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Let's get started. First, let's configure the Google Sheets connection. Before exporting, we need to connect Google Sheets to the plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Click on WP Ultimate CSV Importer in the left menu, and then click the Settings tab. Click the Google Sheets section. Here, enter your client ID, client secret, and redirect URL. Click Save once done. I've created a custom post type called Event using JetEngine. Inside this, I have added custom fields like event_date, event_time, location, organizer_name, organizer phone, ticket_price, event_type, registration_URL. These are the fields we'll now export to Google Sheets. Now let's start to export the data. Go to WP Ultimate CSV Importer and then click the Export tab. Choose Custom Posts as the export type, and select the Custom Post Type Name Event from the drop-down. Then click Continue. Next, give your file name in the Export File Name column. Choose a file type, we'll use CSV here. Under the Advanced Filters, enable the Export CSV Data to the Google Sheet option. Then click the Export button. After the export is complete, you'll see a button called G-Sheets. Click that. When you click G-Sheets, the file will be stored to your linked Google account. Now if you open your Google Sheets, you'll see that file already there with all your data. And that's it. You've successfully exported your JetEngine custom post type data to Google Sheets, no coding needed. If this helps, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.